Hello everyone, see what that says in the overlay? Chalk Couture offers an awful lot for us to do. This is an old video that I've reformatted and brought back where I used one of our house frames and I did a holiday Christmas type image, and it turned out really neat. I think that Chalk Couture stencils do a great job. I love the paste. There's not a lot that I don't like about the product. There is so many ways that you can personalize. Once I can get that sheet off of the backer paper, I was able to put some fuzz on it through that towel and make it not quite so tacky and sticky. And I used a green paste for the trees, and I used a gold shimmer or I don't recall, for the wording. And it turned out really neat, and it's all that you need. You didn't need to add any embellishments or any type of anything else, and that little frame will sit up on a shelf, and it's a little house frame, so it was just perfect. Perfect. And I turned over my little candle over there, and I never straightened it back up, I see, but oh well. This was a long while back, and of course this is not available anymore, but there's so much more available that replaces this. And each and every new product drop turns out to be better than the last most all of the time. And now with the new heat transfers, sublimation transfers, I love doing that. So here I am simply squeegeeing on some paste, and that is the forest trees. And then I will squeegee on some gold paste, and that's the wording. And I don't even recall what it said. Did I give a lot of attention to that? It was just a simple project, and I really enjoyed doing it. And that's the way I roll most of the time. So here we are using, think that was a shimmer gold. And that sparkles nicely when it's done. And the paste stays really well. So I hope that you can check out my shop with Chalk Couture and see what you find. We just had a new holiday drop yesterday, and there's lots and lots of things to look at. And hopefully you'll support my small business. Thank you so much. God bless you all, and have the best day today and forever. Again, thank you, and bye-bye. By the way, I'm Lyndall from Lyndall's Craft Escape. Bye-bye.